Hello loves, my name is Kelsey Dawn and this is day 27 of my 30-day challenge, Nurtured by Nature. And today I am spending my hour in nature by supporting the climate strike. Here we are in Courtenay, BC, and look at this turnout. So impressed and proud of the community that I am a part of, and now my invitation is for you. What can you do to create and be the change, to step up and make the big changes? Stop using chemicals. Know where your money is going and who you're funding, you know? Like really check into where you're spending your money. Support local. Climate justice! Now! Now! Alright, so do what you can do and start right now. Thank you for tuning in. If you're finding my videos valuable, please share them. And if you want to work with me one-on-one, you can find me at kelseydawn.ca. Until tomorrow, peace and much love. Rise and shine!